Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So in today's video I'm going to be cleaning and decorating my 4-year-old room for Valentines, so stay tuned. And I also going to arrange her closet, like the clothes, like oh my goodness, I'm going to bring everything out and fold it and put it back. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, do not forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to start by bringing all her clothes out, and then I'm going to fold them properly and then put them back.
Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you
Some of these clothes are too small. I'm going to sort it out right now. Like the small ones, I'm going to bring them out so I can give them away. Yeah.
I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can't figure this out.
This is all her skirt. I'm going to put it back in the closet now.
Put your feet down.
So this is all her shorts that are still fit. So I'm going to put them back into the closet.
I'm sad until you break my mind. Till you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Till you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in the world in hopes that you will keep them for yourself. And know there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can't figure this out. Put your feet down. Too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can't figure this out. Put your feet down. We are
I'm going to give them away.
I'm sad until you break my mind. Till you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Till you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in the well in hopes that you will keep them for yourself and know that there was a time when we never let.
I'm going to use this one. I'm going to keep this one because it's too hot for her in the night.
Let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice instead. Terrified of what's left remains. I'm sad until you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Until you break my thought. These sticks and stones will break. They will break, they will break, they will break. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. No, no. Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice instead. Terrified of what's left remains. I'm sad until you break my mind. Till you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Till you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in the well in hopes that you will keep them for yourself and know that there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice instead. Terrified of what's left remains. I'm sad until you break my mind. Until you break my mind. Until you.
How cute is this? I love it. I got it from Shein.
Break my thought. Until you break my thought. These sticks and stones will break. They will break, they will break, they will break. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah.
We are done. Let me show you guys the finished look. Like, look at that. Look at that. How cute. How cute is this bed? when she comes back from school, she's going to be so happy. Like, I wanted to do it like a surprise for her. So when she comes back, when she enters her room, she will see that her bed is, you know, and she like red. Red is one of her favorite color anyways. This is how everything turns out. What do you guys think? Yeah, I tried to iron this one today. I tried to iron the bedsheet today, but it's not easy with this little one on my back. She's always disturbing and all of that. So this is the bed area, guys. I love everything how it turns out.
What about this too much? What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there.
Oh yeah, open your eyes.
Wow.
Wow. You like it? Huh? Yeah, eh? Me and Eleanor did it. Can you follow Mama?
Having a daughter is God's way of saying, here, I thought you could use a lifelong friend.
Can't figure this out. Put your feet down.
She loved it, guys. Oh my goodness, it was cold outside. Yeah, she loved it. She loved her room. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Let me go attend to these children.